Hey Primary 6 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 4 of your assessment paper number 3 on circles. So today's question is actually pretty cool. Very cool actually. I'm going to take a look at it right now. So let's take a look at it. So this is what it says. It says that the given figure is made up of how many? 3 semicircles. So find the perimeter of the shaded part and take pi as 22/7. Okay, so in this case, can you spot the 3 semicircles? I'm going to draw it for you, okay? So you can take a look here. This is the first semicircle, the big one. And then we have the second semicircle. And then we have the third semicircle. So the question is asking you to find the perimeter of the shaded part. In other words, the perimeter of this semicircle plus the perimeter of this semicircle and the perimeter of this semicircle. So before you start doing everything, I just want you to make sure you understand one more thing, and that is the area of this semicircle, the perimeter of this semicircle and the perimeter of this semicircle is actually what? It's actually the same because they both have the same diameter. And again, don't take the diameter as the radius. The radius is 3.5 cm, it's half, okay? So let's do this right now, okay? I'm just going to draw for you the diagram in different colors. So as we can see, there is the big one over here. It looks like that. Okay, that's the big semicircle. And then we have the smaller semicircle, which looks a bit like this. And then we have the other small semicircle, which looks a bit like this. Ooh, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, so now from here, it's very simple already, okay? Let's take a look at what is the radius of this big one. The radius of the big semicircle is actually what? 7 cm as given to us. So just write down the perimeter of big semicircle, or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call it big semicircle. It's actually equals to 2 pi r divided by 2. Why? Because it's a semicircle, it's not a circle. Therefore, equals to pi r, in this case is 22/7, and take your radius as, what is this? 7. Therefore, you cancel this out and you will have the answer of 22 cm. So we found out that this black part is actually equals to 22 cm. So this is 22 cm. Now, what is the what's it called? What is the perimeter of this one over here? Okay. Again, I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna call it perimeter of small circle. Perimeter of small circle. Why small circle? Because I'm gonna just add up both perimeters instead of halving them, because they both equals to the same semicircle. They are both same semicircles. So 2 semicircles. Write down for you. 2 semicircles. 2 semis equals to 1 full, 1 whole. In other words, half a circle plus half a circle gives you 1 big circle. And hence the radius for this actually, oh by the way, 2 pi r can also be written in what? Pi d. Why? Why? Because, let's take a look at this formula. 2 times r will give you what? In other words, 2 of this will give you 1 diameter. So let's try using pi d, since it looks pretty simple. So pi d's perimeter is actually pi 22/7. Oh wait, times 7 again. So we get 22 cm. Therefore, the perimeter of the shaded part, which is over here, right, is actually equals to what? 22 plus 22. Therefore, 22 plus 22 gives you 44 cm. And that is the perimeter of the shaded part. Got it? Very simple. Again, I'm going to explain one more time why 2 pi r, or the circumference of a circle, can also be written down as pi d. 2 pi r is also the same as saying 2r times pi. 2r, which is 2 radiuses, in this case this radius and this radius, gives you 1 diameter. So this actually gives you 1 diameter. Therefore, it can also be written down as diameter times pi, or whatever you want, which is pi d. I prefer pi d. So that is it. It's very simple, isn't it? Circles is actually very simple. So with that, I'm just gonna give you the quote of the week again, which is to believe in you. Believe in you. believe in yourself, believe in the preparation that you've put in, believe in the ability that God has given you to make sure that you are able to process things fast in your brain. Believe in that, okay? Believe in you. So with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off. You are a math prodigy. Good job.